Hello everybody, yet another failure here in the kitchen. You can probably see what's going on. That was an easy to find problem. There it is. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is recreate this with PVC, and I shouldn't have to replace this trap and all this stuff every few years. See, that's already looking a little sketchy. So I'll go down to the hardware store and see if I can assemble this. So what I did, I took the old pipe assembly to the Ace Hardware store and I just matched up the parts I needed. Seems like I had to cut this piece down just a little bit and maybe this piece here. Other than that, pretty much plug and play. Took the old stuff loose, put the new stuff together, put it in, no problem. I did get a new O-ring for the garbage disposal output. Those were sold separately, so that was a good thing. But once again, this is October fail number 2. Thank you for watching.